Hello everyone, welcome to Mohendra Coaching Center's channel. This video would be really beneficial for you if you are preparing for IELTS exam. In this video, we will go over a few words and sentences that can be used in any cue card or writing topic related to children. Sometimes students have ideas but lack the correct vocabulary for a topic. Please take a screenshot and write down words on your notebook. So without wasting time, let's begin. First word is agile. Agile means active. Next is fun loving. Fun loving means light hearted. Next is creative. Creative means the skill to make or do new thing. Next is mischievous. Mischievous means naughty. So let's use these words in a sentence. For example, children are creative, fun loving, agile and mischievous. So ਇਹ children ਬੱਚੇ ਬੜੇ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟਿਵ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਲਵਿੰਗ ਫਨ ਲਵਿੰਗ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ, ਐਕਟਿਵ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਬੜੇ ਨੋਟੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ। ਸੋ ਇਹ ਲਾਈਨ ਇੱਕ ਜਨਰਲ ਲਾਈਨ ਆ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਸੇ ਜੋ ਚਿਲਡਰਨ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਆਵੇ ਔਰ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਐਸੇ ਨਾਲੇ ਲਾਈਨ ਸੂਟੇਬਲ ਹੋਵੇ ਦੈਨ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵਰਡ ਇਜ਼ ਇਨੋਸੈਂਟ। ਇਨੋਸੈਂਟ ਮੀਨਸ ਭੋਲੇ ਭਾਲੇ। Next is vulnerable. Vulnerable means weak and easy to hurt physically or emotionally. Next word is impulsive. Impulsive means careless. Next is rebellious. Rebellious means not doing what you want. In Punjabi, it means baggy. Let's use these words in a few sentences. For example, as children are innocent, impulsive, and of vulnerable nature, anyone can change them the way they want. ਬੱਚੇ ਬੜੇ ਭੋਲੇ ਭਾਲੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ, ਕੇਅਰਲੈਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ vulnerable nature ਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਆਪਦੇ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗ ਮੋਲਡ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ। ਸੋ ਇਹ ਲਾਈਨ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਐਸੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਯੂਜ਼ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। next sentence is sometimes children become rebellious when parents put a lot of restriction on them. Sometimes ਬੱਚੇ ਬੜੇ rebellious ਬਣ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਜਦੋਂ parents ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ restrictions ਲਗਾ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ। Next word is dichotomy. Dichotomy means the difference between two things. Children do not understand the dichotomy of what they see and the reality. ਬੱਚੇ ਬੜੇ ਭੋਲੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ, they do not understand what is the difference between what they see and the reality. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਸ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਰਿਐਲਿਟੀ ਹੈ। Next word is cultivate. Cultivate means to train someone. And next is inculcate. Inculcate means to make somebody learn. So let's use these two words in a few sentences. First example is, it is important to cultivate a sense of responsibility in children. So it is important to develop a sense of responsibility in children. So instead of saying develop, you can use this word cultivate. Next example is, it is a responsibility of parents to inculcate the habit of saving in children. So your parents' responsibility are to make them learn the habit of saving. So make them learn ਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ use ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ word inculcate. Next word is grasp. Grasp means to understand something. Next is imbibe. Imbibe means to observe something, especially information. Next is conducive. Conducive means favorable. So let's use these words in a few sentences. For example, since children have good grasping power, it is conducive to teach foreign language at an early age. ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਬੜੀ learning power good ਵਧੀਆ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ. Children have good learning power. So instead of saying good learning power, we can use this word good grasping power. Next example is, children can imbibe things easily. Children can imbibe things easily. It means children can observe things easily. ਬੱਚੇ ਬੜੀ ਜਲਦੀ observe ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ. So instead of saying observe, you can use this word imbibe. Next word is susceptible. Susceptible means easily damaged or affected by something. For example, children are susceptible to pressure. So children are easily damaged by pressure. Next word is prone. Prone means to suffer from something. And next is dysfunctional families. Dysfunctional families means in which there is a conflict or misbehavior or abuse. ਉਹ families ਜਿੱਥੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ normal environment ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਦਾ, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਲੜਾਈ ਝਗੜੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ। For example, the children of dysfunctional families are prone to behavior problems. जो बच्चे dysfunctional families ਨੂੰ belong ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਉਹ suffer ਕਰਦੇ behavior problems ਤੋਂ। Next word is imitate. Imitate means copy. And next is pester. Pester means troublesome one. In Punjabi, tang karna. Next is stubborn. Stubborn means chiddi. So let's use this word in a few sentences. For example, some children pester their parents to buy the things their friends have. कुछ बच्चे अपने पेरेंट्स ਨੂੰ ਤੰਗ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਦਿਓ ਜੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ ਕੋਲ ਨਹੀਂ. Next example is some children are stubborn by nature. It means some children are ਜਿੱਦੀ by nature. They want to imitate others. ਉਹ ਦੂਸਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਾਪੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ. Next word is empathetic. Empathetic means showing an ability to understand and share the feeling of other. It means कि ਜਦੋਂ इंसान दूसरे इंसान ਦੀ feeling ਸਮਝਦਾ. ਇੱਕ word ਹੁੰਦਾ sympathy. Sympathy ਹੁੰਦਾ किस ਤੇ ਤਰਸ ਖਾਣਾ. But empathetic means ਕਿ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਦੀ ਭਾਵਨਾਵਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝਣਾ, ਦੂਸਰੇ ਦੀ situation ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝਣਾ, ਦੂਸਰੇ ਦੀ feeling ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝਣਾ. For example, children will have empathetic attitude if they are involved in unpaid community work. ਜੇ children ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ unpaid community work ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ involve ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, then they will have an empathetic attitude. It means they will understand others. Next word is go astray. Go astray means to take a wrong path. For example, nowadays parents have become workaholic and there is no one to supervise children in many families. Hence, many juveniles are going astray. In आजकल बच्चे आजकल parents ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ workaholics ਹੋ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਆ and ਕਈ families ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਹੈ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਨਿਗਰਾਨੀ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ. Supervise mean ਨਿਗਰਾਨੀ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ. Hence, ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ many juveniles are going astray. So ਕਈ juveniles ਕਈ ਬੱਚੇ ਗਲਤ ਰਸਤੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਆ. Go astray is a idiom. एक idiom. It means to take a wrong path. ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਗਲਤ ਰਸਤੇ ਜਾਣਾ, then you can use this word go astray. Next word is juvenile delinquency. Juvenile delinquency means criminal acts or offences by young person. ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਈ crime commit ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਕਿਸੇ youngster ਦੁਆਰਾ, then ਇਹ word use ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. Juvenile delinquency. For example, juvenile delinquency has become a grim issue worldwide. Grim issue means serious issue. Now let's look at some journal lines which you can use in essays related to children. First line is childhood is the formative period of life. Childhood ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇੱਕ formative period ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹਰੇਕ ਦੀ life ਦਾ. Next formative period means ਕਿ having important influence. Next line is every child has the right to get unconditional love, affection and understanding. ਹਰ ਬੱਚੇ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ right ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨੂੰ unconditional ਪਿਆਰ ਤੇ understanding ਮਿਲੇ. Next word is child labor is repugnant in a decent society. So child labor ਕੀ ਆ repugnant ਆ in decent society means objectionable ਆ in a decent society. Next line is children are like a clay. They just take the shape in the way they are molded. ਬੱਚੇ ਕਲੇ ਦੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਔਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਸ਼ੇਪ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਟੀਚਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਚਾਹਣ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ. ਸੋ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਕਾਮਨ ਲਾਈਨ ਆ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਾਫੀ ਐਸੇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. Next line is children are future leaders. So there is no denying the fact that ਜੋ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੇ ਉਹੀ ਕੱਲ ਦੇ future leader ਨੇ. Next line is children are the promises of tomorrow and should be treated with empathy and properly educated. So promises of the tomorrow means good things that are promised for the future. So children are promises of the tomorrow. So children जो की ने promises of the tomorrow ने and they should be treated with empathy and properly educated. So उन्होंने बड़ी empathy ना treat करना चाहिए and उन्होंने properly educate भी करना चाहिए. Next line is every child has a right to education. Obviously कि हर बच्चे का एक अधिकार होता right to education. So if you find this video informative and worthwhile, then please share it with your friends and thank you for watching and have a good day.